back to my channel. It's your girl TJ. I am back in the building with another motherfucking video. Y'all seen by the intro, it's summertime, y'all. Well, it's almost summer. And if y'all don't like them hot wigs, get you a 𝐵𝐵𝐼𝐼𝐼. We installing her today using 2 products only. The lace tape, the pre-everything lace tape, and that elastic band. That's all you need, okay? So it's already pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and it's giving scalp, whatnots, what lace. Okay, so y'all, I'm so excited. Let's just get right into this video. I'm gonna put the wig on so I can show you guys up close the construction of the wig, the parting space, and things of that nature. When you put on your wig, it's gonna look like this. Okay, it's giving scalp. Don't play with it. Okay, you got the tape on the side that is not going to be showing. I'm gonna show you guys how you can cover that up. But like I said, this is the parting space. You got more parting space in the center than you do on the side. Now we're going into tint the lace. You need to tint the lace if when you put that wig on for the first time and it didn't blend in with your skin tone, you need to tint the lace using foundation or tinting spray. This spray in general, I feel like it's a little warm for me, but we gonna make it do what it do. Off camera, I went ahead and added the elastic band. I adjusted it to my likeness. I like my wigs to be snug, and baby, she ain't going nowhere. Don't play with her. She ain't going nowhere. Before we get to laying down the lace tips, I do want to go ahead and hot comb the hairline just a little bit. Y'all, this is a Yaki textured hair unit, so it definitely resembles, you know, more so of our hair texture, and I like it. It's very soft. I love the density. Go ahead and clip up the hair so we can work on laying down the lace tape. This is super duper easy, y'all. Just pull away the backing of that tape, and then you just gonna lay it where you would like it and press it down into your skin. That's it, and that's all. So simple. Like, I was just not thinking that this was gonna work. I don't know why. I said this is not gonna work, but watch me pull it. I'm gonna tuck on it a little bit, and it's secure, y'all. I use my comb to reinforce, you know, the tape into my skin, and look at that. Stop playing with me. You're not going to be out here in these streets looking crazy, because literally, oh my goodness, y'all, this is the best thing that they've come up with yet, especially for the girls who do not like using lace glues and lace sprays. This is going to be right up your alley, because the only thing you need is 2 things, which was the elastic band, which is going to secure the middle, and the lace tape that's going to secure the sides. Like, yes, Nadula. So now I'm just taking a little bit of that tinting spray, and I'm just spraying it on the outside of the lace to cover up, you know, that section where the tape was, so it can blend right in. And let me show you guys. You cannot tell me nothing. Look, the middle is not secured, okay, at all. It's still glueless, 100% glueless. Stop playing. Stop playing. And look at the sides. I just blended it in. If you don't have lace tinting spray, you can just use foundation. And look how flawless that looks. Don't that look like I sat there and melted that lace? That lace ain't melted. I know y'all wondering why I put the elastic band on. I just put the elastic band on just to secure the lace tape. I want to make sure that lace tape has time to set into my skin. So that's why I have that elastic band on. But I promise you, I did not use no lace spray at all, okay? So now I'm just going in to bump the edges of the bob using this curling iron. And I feel like this method is super duper easy and quick. However, I felt like I should have flat ironed it first, then use this to bump it, but that's just neither here or there. We're going to take this back off, and boom. Look at how good this looks. It looks like I done laid it down. Look, I'm pulling it down because it was sliding back just a tad bit. Y'all, this ain't secure. This ain't secure, and it looks like it's melted. Stop playing. Nadula did not come to play. Like, I am shook at y'all with this wig. So I wanted to go in and do some light baby hairs off camera. But then I'm going back in with my curling iron just a little bit more to bump those edges, or ends, not edges. And I did clip them so everything can be nice and even and cohesive. Look at this, y'all. Look at all that body and bounce. Have not washed or conditioned this hair at all, y'all. This is a fresh out of the box install. Now we just gonna go in and define the part using Ruby Kisses foundation. I'm using the lighter shade to define the part, and look, that makes it look so natural, y'all. This is the back of the wig. Y'all know I had to show you guys the back. It has so much body. Look at that shine. Straight out the pack, y'all. I'm telling y'all, Nadula never misses. They do not. we gotta style it, okay? So again, I'm back with this bandana headband thing I got off of Amazon. I'll be sure to link it. Y'all, look how cute that made this. All the hair out your way, out your face. Super simple, super quick, super easy. I'm just gonna go on and do a half up and half down. And like, I felt like this was so cute. I'm gonna show you guys the back and how everything looks. It don't look crazy at all. This hair texture, the Yaki texture, looks so natural. It looks just like your real hair. Literally, people was asking me, is this your real hair? Because you cannot tell. You cannot tell me that it's not my hair. What am I doing? I think I'm gonna do a half up, half down without the headband though. I think I always do that. I try to find like different styles that you can do with bobs because bobs are very versatile. People think you just got wear it hanging down in your face. No, you do not, sis. Who told you that? Just get you a little part and put it up there. It don't even gotta be neat because I feel like the neater it is, the more wiggy it looks. So I try to make my units, especially units that, you know, mimic our natural hair texture, look very natural. And I feel like, hey, if she's doing it for me. Do y'all see this? Now I decided to put a little bit of curls in there. Like I said, I didn't include the whole full clips because I wasn't recording, but I just curled some majority of the curls away from my face and then a few towards my face. I don't know what it is about it, but a bob unit curl gives what it's supposed to give. So I'm just gonna go ahead and comb it out and fluff out the curls to my liking. And look at this, y'all. Y'all can't tell me nothing. Y'all can't tell me nothing out here. Where's the wig at? I'm trying to find the wig in the room. Where's the wig? Look, it's not even glued down. I'm still shifting the wig around. Stop playing. Y'all be sleeping on these wigs. I'm telling you. Lastly, I'm just gonna go in and flat iron the hair and then cut layers into the bob because y'all know I'm extra. But I feel like this unit has a lot of density. If you like thick bobs, thick hair, this is for you. Because even when I silk press the hair like this, it's still thick and I love it, y'all. It looks so realistic. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm gonna get a wig a 10 out of 10, y'all. I have no cons. Of course, you can get your regular shedding. I have not experienced tangling, but I will leave all the information in regards to this unit in the description section below. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video again. And until my next one, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.